Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to another exciting tutorial. Today, we're tackling how to withdraw USDT from OKX to Binance in 2025. If you're looking to move your USDT assets seamlessly between exchanges, this guide is perfect for you. With the crypto world evolving fast, I'll walk you through the latest steps to ensure a smooth transfer. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you're logged into your OKX account. Security is key, so double-check that you're on a secure device and have two-factor authentication enabled. Once you're in, head over to the Wallet or Assets section. Here, locate your USDT balance. That's the stablecoin we'll be withdrawing. Next, click on the Withdraw button next to USDT. You'll need to select the right network for the transfer. In 2025, popular options include Tron, TRC20, or Ethereum, ERC20. But always choose the one that matches your Binance wallet to avoid any issues. Pro tip: mismatched networks can lead to lost funds, so verify this step carefully. Now, enter your Binance wallet address. You can find this by logging into Binance, going to your wallet, and copying the USDT deposit address. Paste it into the OKX withdrawal form, and don't forget to specify the amount you want to withdraw. OKX might ask for additional details like a memo or tag if required. Check Binance's deposit page for that. Once everything looks good, hit Confirm and approve the transaction via email or 2FA. Fees are a big deal here, so keep an eye on the network fees. They can vary based on congestion. The transfer usually takes a few minutes to an hour, depending on the network. After initiating the withdrawal, jump over to Binance and check your deposit history to track the incoming USDT. Once it shows up, you're all set. Remember, always monitor your transactions and keep your accounts secure to protect your assets. There you have it, folks. A straightforward way to withdraw USDT from OKX to Binance in 2025. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more crypto tips. Happy trading, and I'll see you in the next video.